Welcome to the ADA ramp form tutorial using the HeadLight software. Today we will begin in the Materials app on the iPad. Let's start by logging in using our HeadLight credentials. We first arrive at our recent list of samples. Next, we will select the Collapse menu button at the top right corner. Find the Forms section in the list and select it. To begin our ADA ramp form, press the green plus button near the top right corner. Choose the project the ramp is located on. Today, I will be working in the ADA ramp documentation project. Next, we will select the type of form to fill out using the drop-down menu. Select ADA ramp form. Then, we will rename our form for searchability purposes. This naming convention may be anything that helps you recall the information. After that step, we will select the Create button. After your form loads, you will notice the 13 types of ramps designated by LADOTD are available for selection. I will use a Type 3 ramp for this demonstration. In the first text box, we will enter the asset control number listed in the plans. If the asset control number is not listed in the plans, use a designation that is easily recalled using the search functions built into the HeadLight software. Enter the station number and offset in the next box. It is imperative to be standing close to the ramp before collecting the data for the location box. When next to the ramp, tap the location box on the iPad, then select OK for the location permission. You will notice the form uses the iPad GPS to complete the data input. The direction text box refers to the cardinal direction of the ramp as it relates to the route or routes. Let's assume the ramp is located on a project near LADOTD headquarters on East Highway Drive. The ramp is located in an intersection with 4 ramps. The ramp we are documenting is the one at the northwest corner. Enter NW or Northwest in the text box. Enter East Highway Drive since it is the main project route. Enter South Highway Drive, intersecting the project. After completing the header information, let's begin to enter our ramp measurements. When you select a measurement box, the corresponding measurement appears on the diagram in blue. Notice that the diagram and the text boxes are coded with specification limits for each measurement. If you measure and enter a value that is outside of the spec limit, the form will flag the measurement red. On the entry boxes with the percent symbols, enter the slope from the smart level. On the entry boxes with the foot mark, enter the measurement from the tape measure. After entering the appropriate measurements, the form will calculate the square yards of the ramp according to the measurements we entered. This will assist with the pay quantity when the ramp is paid by the square yard. Enter any comments required for proper field documentation, especially if there is a measurement outside of the spec limits. As with all HeadLight forms, we have the ability to add photo documentation. To add an image, select the Add Photo button, press the green Add Photo, tape the image, then select Use Photo. Type a description of what is in the image. Tap Complete to allow location. Save and wait for the image to appear in the form. The HeadLight form has the capability to add multiple ramps to a single form if desired. To add another ramp of the same type, press the Add Another Ramp button, or add a different type with the toggle at the top. Thanks for watching. If any additional assistance is needed, contact the E-Construction team in Section 40 Construction.